Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the Asos March Beauty Box to share with you. Gorgeous design this month is in celebration of Eid, which means festival or feast and relates to Islamic holidays. So you're a beautiful box. The cost of the box is £22 and it has a value of £60. If you're interested in this for yourself, it's still available on their website. Then you'll find details down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. Asos don't do subscription boxes. They just do one-off boxes every single month. They've been doing them for a couple of years now. Some months are better than others, as you'd imagine. But with it not being a subscription, you get to see exactly what is inside the boxes, so you can decide whether it's a box for you or not. Although saying that, most of the beauty subscriptions, as soon as it hits the first of every month, you get to see all the contents anyway on their website. So yeah, it's no different there really, is there? Asos do different price point boxes, but you're looking at generally between £18 to £22. So this is around the norm for them. But let's see if it's worth it. Give you a little sneak peek. We have a card here. It just briefly outlines what's inside. So it says EID Celebration Beauty Box. Want to celebrate Eid al-Fitr? Sorry if I've said that wrong. With a glam look, this box is for you. We've put together a routine using makeup icons from the biggest brands so you can feel your absolute best throughout the celebrations. After you've applied your base, add a flush to the cheeks with Milk Makeup's viral Jelly Tint Blush. I'm dying to try this. It says here, during the celebratory day of smiles and socialising, you'll want your makeup to stay exactly where you put it. So it's a cooling water jelly tint, a sheer jelly lip and cheek stain made with cooling seawater and aloe for a long-lasting wash of colour. It sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? Very small writing. It says burst, so I'm assuming there's different shades. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's bubbling. Look! Can you see? You see it's bubbling at the top. Ooh, I'm dying to smell this. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting that. That is super pink. It's a stain as well, isn't it? Oh, that is so nice. Oh, pretty. Okay, let's try and blend that out a little bit. Oh, that is really pretty. Yeah, it's nice. It feels nice as well. As far as cooling is concerned, no, I don't feel any difference. Oh, look at my finger. Look how bright that is. I'll let that settle and I'll try and get it off just to show you how difficult it is. It looks stunning. It's like one of those sweets that you can buy, you know? The hard sugared lollies. Oh, it's going to go into my mouth. Yeah. No smell. I love the colour, but it is quite bright when I'm looking at it here. It is very, very, very pink. I'm dying to try it on my cheeks, but I'll have to do a little bit at a time. But maybe it might be a lip colour, more of a lip colour for me, because yeah, look. Yeah, that is quite a stain. But no, I am happy with it. On the eyes, we're going copper. Not only do these dual tones complement almost every outfit colour combo, but they look incred in photos. All the shades you'll need are in Revolution's iconic Fever palette, from shimmering golds to deep reds. Let me get the cellophane off. You can see it better. Asos used to do brand-only boxes. And I can't think when the last time they did that, but they always sold out really, really quickly. And I can't even remember. I know they did a Clinique one. Have they done Sunday Riley? I just remember they used to do them and they're so, so good. Anyway, back to these shadows. I love that one and that one actually. Let's try a few. Revolution shadows, hit and miss, gotta be honest. Some are alright and some not so alright. Just like the application, whether they're too powdery, whether they're easy to blend. Wow, 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 those golds are gorgeous. And things like that, you know. The metallics are beautiful. Look at that orange. That is such a beautiful colour. But the mattes are a little bit powdery. I'll definitely be using that one. Let's Got an eyeshadow palette. What's next on the list? And if you're a lover of a striking cat eye effect, top the look off with Huda Beauty's Easy Liner in Vanta Black. Love a liner. Precision liquid liner. Probably had this before. Yeah. There. Let's see if I can do this all right. Woo! Yeah, really, really nice. You can get some really nice fine lines. Thicken them up. Yeah, it's a great liner. I love that. It's a brush nib tip as well, which is really good. Why does it say store this way, Ranger Dan's? Okay, yeah, I understand why to store it upright like this so that the ink falls down, but why's it got Major Dan's? Ranger Dan's. I haven't got a clue. So you got liquid eyeliner from Huda Beauty. And finish your eyes with some falsies. These are Tatti lashes, half lash era, reusable for up to 20 times, seamless cat eye effect, wispy and layered, and they are beautiful. I love those. Well, let's get them out and show you properly. I much prefer 3/4 lengths. My eyes are quite small. I've made my eyelashes into 3/4 length ones that I'm wearing today, or tonight. I'm filming at night. I've actually changed my camera settings. I'm just hoping that I'm not too overexposed. I'll soon find out when I edit it back. So we got glue with the lashes. Oh, they are so gorgeous. Look at them. Look how fluffy they are. So lovely. Oh, why aren't you focusing? It's so lovely. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love the fact that they're darker as well on the outer corners. Yeah, really, really happy with them. Not a daytime sort of look for me, but like save it for a special occasion when I want to look glam. Yeah, they're beautiful. Really, really happy with those. And then finally, we've included Charlotte Tilbury's globally loved Walk of No Shame Matte Revolution lipstick. It's the dreamiest warm berry rose shade that'll harmonise with a copper eye. Throw it into your bag for touch-ups from day to night. Enjoy. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look. Uh-oh. It's alright. I just got to be really careful with it. Beautiful colour. I love that. Yeah, really pretty. And there you go. Those are all the products inside this month's Asos Beauty Box. We've got a cooling water jelly tint from Milk Cosmetics. We've got a Revolution eyeshadow palette. We've got a Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner. We've got some Tatti lashes. And we've got a little mini Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Oh yeah, I was going to try and rub this off one eye. I just tried getting the blush off. A little bit of a stain there, but you can see it's still stained on my finger. But it might be a really gorgeous lip stain for me as opposed to blush. Lashes, liner, lipstick, love them all. And the eyeshadow palette, yeah. It's not sort of eyeshadow palette that screams, wow, this is amazing. I love this. I've just got eyeshadow palettes with similar shades. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you gone for it yourself? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? Or do you think, no, it's not for me this month? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.